Welcome to a new video. I'm Isabel, an artist and illustrator from Madrid, Spain. And in this video, I want to show you like a week in my life as an artist. I have chosen a week with a lot of work because I think it would be more interesting for you, but not all my weeks are like that. I have weeks with less work, more relaxed. So in this video, there will be a lot of painting content that I know is something you like the most. And also a brand sent me their art materials to try and give them my honest opinion to them and to you. And I'm very happy about that because not only for the free art materials, of course, but for I think is a step in my art career that a famous brand want me to try their art supplies and talk about them in my social media. So I'm gonna paint with them and tell you what I think about them honestly. So thank you for being here again and see you at the end of the vlog. Bye! So these are the postcard and the matching sticker for the month of May in my Patreon. And if you want to get them, you can join this month and I will send them to you. Hi friends! Today we are going to try some new art materials that has been kindly sent to me by Giotto Spain. We are going to try papers and there's waterfall. Also colors by Mieri Blue. New brushes by Princeton. And finally, graphite pencils by Lire. So I'm going to do a test with all of them and see what I think about them. Let's go. So, hi friends, I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the art supplies. About the Lira pencils, they seem well made and they are easy to sharpen. The lid is smooth with no grit. Even though they are smooth, they are much harder than comparable grades of other drawing pencils. I'm also happy with the darkness they have. It's enough for me that I will use them for drawing or sketches. And they erase well enough for that, but maybe not for doing the previous drawing for a watercolor. The Saunders water for paper, I had used it before and I really like it. It is very similar to other professional quality papers such as Archex, for example. In this case it is not totally white as you can see, but they have another one that is totally white. It absorbs color very well and has a slight fine grain texture in this case that I really like. About the Maimieri blue paints, they are great quality. The colors are super bright and have a lot of pigment. You just have to take a little paint to be able to work. I also like the transparency of the layers that you can get. They are also easy to reactivate with water once left to dry. The Princeton brushes is what I would say I like it the least. They are synthetic but making an imitation of natural hair, and in this case I think it falls a bit in between. It does not have the softness of natural hair, but it does not have the firmness of synthetic hair either. So that intermediate does not work for me personally. But try them yourselves because maybe for your way of painting it will come in handy. To summarize, I quite like it all the materials. I think they are of very good quality and I recommend you to try them, except the brushes that are not very to my taste, but I also recommend you to try them because maybe it works better for you. And thank you again to Yoto Spain for sending me these materials. that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it very much. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. It really helps me a lot. And of course, thank you so much to my Patreons for supporting me and my work. I really appreciate you. And if you want to see other kind of content in the next videos, you can tell me in the comments what things you enjoy the most in my videos. And see you very soon in the next one. Bye!